Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ray. Thank you guys so much for watching. So in today's video, I'm gonna review the Extreme Professional Styling Gel. You guys requested this video, and unfortunately though, like I wanted to do an old versus new hair gel, but it seems like the old one is sold out, or I don't know if they don't sell it anymore. This is gonna be my first time using this. Like I never tried this hairline before, so yeah, I can't wait to try it and see how my curls are gonna look. Do I even have to say it at this point? You already know what to do. Before we move on to this video, make sure to subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up, and make sure to follow me on my Instagram at REY_NMDL. Last thing I want to mention before we move on to this video is that you guys can actually reach out to me on www.weezio.com/DisisReyRey. So what I do there is pretty much give hair advice. So if you need help on your hair journey, you can just reach out to me and I will send you a video response with everything that I think that you need and all of that. So make sure to, reach out to me there and I'll be more than happy to help you. But anyways, so I just got done washing my hair. And as usual, you guys already know, I applied the Lustrous Silk, the Curl Max Activator Moisturizer by Lustrous Silk, twist my hair, and did my makeup. What's actually funny about this whole situation right here is that I went online and tried to order the old one and the new one just so I could do, half of my hair with the old gel and half of my hair with the new gel. I got home all excited thinking that I was gonna have like two different gels, and I opened the plastic bag and what do I see? They pretty much put the same gel, and I was so pissed. I tried to return it just so I could just replace it with the old one instead, but I couldn't find it anywhere. I went to like several beauty supply stores, Walmart too, and it shows that it's available online but they don't have it in store. So I was like, man, that's messed up. So I'm just gonna have to stick to this gel, which is the new one. What does it say? It says 24-hour duration, hold and care with aloe vera, alcohol-free, fresh smell, no residue. Okay, like I said, this is my very first time using this product right here, this hair gel, and I'm pretty excited about it because I was getting tired of like using the Eco Styler gel and the one from Made Choice. I just wanted to try something different. So right off the bat, what really shocked me was actually the price. This is what, about 1 kilogram, and this cost me like $2.94. I was just like, wow, this is actually way cheaper than Eco Styler gel. The price is amazing. I feel like anybody can, have access to it, which is a great thing. There. I'm kind of excited to see because like I said, I was really getting tired of using the Eco Styler gel. I mean, I've been using like these gels like since I did my big chop, and it's been a little bit over 2 years. Can you guys imagine that it's been already like 2 years? 2 years on February 16th. Time flies, like that's crazy. So yeah, so this is my hair right now, and what I'm gonna do is open this huge jar right here. You guys tell me if I'm wrong, but it has like a little fruity smell to it. So this is it. I don't like to apply gel when I have long nails, but I'll be fine. And I actually have my bottle of water, so just so my hair can be a little bit more wet. Wait. Can you guys see? What? Wow, I'm in shock right now. So far, I don't have anything bad to say about it. I've seen like so many people use this gel, and I never tried it, and I really don't know why, because with the price and everything, it's super cheap and looks like it's doing good to your hair too. And I'm not even applying like a lot of gel, like just a little. I don't even know what to say. Like, so far, honestly, so good. I'm just gonna apply this on the other side, and I know you guys are gonna eat me alive if I don't show you the final look on dry hair, so don't worry, I will. I hope you guys are like really home, like not going out and staying safe. And we're actually in lockdown, like we can't even like go out. We won't be able like to step out the house starting today at 6 p.m. I believe, unless you know you have to go to work, and you have to have a pass, like proof that you're actually going to work, or you're gonna get arrested and have to pay like $1,000 or face jail time and testing it in Africa. So I'm like, what the hell? And I'm not gonna lie, like I'm really feeling some type of way about it, because if you guys didn't know, I'm 100,000% African. I'm from West Africa, Niger. No, not Nigeria, Niger. It's just not making any sense. So I really hope that like this whole situation is gonna get better, you know, knowing that there are like so many people out there that don't have a job anymore, and unemployment rates has gone through the roof. It's just sad when you think about all these people, because you have like your bills to pay, you have like priorities. If you have kids, like what are they gonna do, you know? I did something that I'm really proud of, and I feel like I should do that definitely more often, because helping people is honestly, in situations like this, is what you're supposed to do if you can, you know? So I went to Walmart and to pick up like the hair gels, and there was this guy, like you could tell like that he was really struggling. He had like coins and stuff, so I was like, don't worry, I'll pay for your groceries. Like it was just like a couple of things. I got it for him, and I'm not gonna lie, like I was really like happy about it. As soon as I get to like the fun part, I will get back to you guys, so I will see you in a bit. Done most of my hair. It's looking real good so far. I'm gonna grate my side part as usual. Okay, now I'm just gonna do my edges as usual. All right, you guys, this is my hair still wet. I love how my curls are so defined right now. I will show you guys the final look on dry hair, because I know you guys are gonna eat me alive if I don't. I will see you guys in a few. Bye. Yeah, this is my hair 95% dry right now. There's just a little bit of shrinkage. Okay, now let me just tell you exactly what I think of this gel. First of all, the price is just ridiculous to me. $2, like $3, let's say. $3 for this whole jar. Are you serious? The price only like makes a huge difference. Like anybody can have access to it. You can definitely see like the curl definition, but my curls are not like crusty. Like my hair doesn't feel dry at all. Like it doesn't feel dry at all. It actually feels like a little bit moisturized, which is a good thing. And I love the fact that as I was actually applying it, I could tell that there was not gonna be any sort of like residue. Honestly, I just don't have anything negative to say. Like I'm shook right now, and I'm probably gonna use this. I'm gonna replace the Eco Stylo gel with this gel for sure. So if you guys haven't tried it, please do. It's like the consistency is great, the price is amazing. Now if you have a problem with like gels like smelling, this might maybe make you feel some type of way, but honestly I don't really care, and it actually smells good to me. Definitely gonna be using it from now on, so don't be surprised if you see me using it in my wash and goes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, click on that notification bell so you can get notified every single time I upload a new video. Follow me on my Instagram at REY_MMDL, and until next time I will see you guys later. Bye.